right, let's get on to our speedrun topics. Microsoft is launching a new Nocturnal Vapor Special Edition Xbox wireless controller today. It looks pretty cool. I got the thing open on screen. Why is it so zoomed in? I'm going to have to fix that. It's got a cool little look to it, right? It's a pop of gray, pop of green, kind of like gradient all over. Kind of looks a little like they let up a smokestack, but they're calling it the Nocturnal Vapor, right? I think it's pretty cool. And yeah, there. All right, let's see. Next speedrun topic. YouTube is now auto-generating key moments in any video viewed on television. Basically, you open up a YouTube video on YouTube TV, or actually YouTube TV is a different thing, just YouTube on your TV, and then there will be key moments you can skip to. I don't know why it's just for the TV and not for, computers or phones. But maybe that's just where they're testing it out for now, and maybe later it will come to the computers and phones.